to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious side dish. Thanksgiving is just around the corner. You know something? When we make that delicious turkey, sometimes we're thinking, which side order should I use? Well, you know something? I have a perfect one. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Ingredients. I have bell peppers, red, orange, yellow, 1 onion, 3 garlic cloves, bacon, corn. This is frozen corn, chicken bouillon, and black pepper. This is everything we need for this side dish that comes out delicious. So let's get started. The first thing I want to start with is with my bacon. As you know, the bacon takes a little longer to cook and we want it nice and crispy. Be careful, I don't want you to get cut. You know something? We're gonna go ahead and cut it in about 1/2-inch pieces so that all the bacon gets nice and crispy and it incorporates completely to this dish. You know something? Here I want to show you the pieces, how they look. You don't want them too big or too small. This is exactly how you want them. So you could even see those little pieces of bacon when they're cooking, when they're in the rice. Well, this is done. Let's go to the stove. My pan is nice and hot, and I'm going to go ahead and just add my bacon right here. You want to have the heat to medium low so that the bacon releases all that extra fat and they get nice and crispy. So I'm going to leave it here and I'll see you when this is getting nice and crispy. I have my peppers here and I'm going to go to the sink and I'm going to rinse them out completely. You want to make sure that you rinse one by one. You rub it really good with your hand so you get all that little dirt off. And now I am ready. I'm ready to start cutting the edge, and make sure that you get all the seeds out of the pepper. This is a very important part because you don't want any seeds in this delicious recipe. I know that it takes time, but you know something? When you taste this delicious recipe, you're going to say, oh wow, this is amazing. You know something? Just take all the seeds out. I'm going to stay cutting every single one and taking the seeds completely out of every pepper. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and start slicing them just like this. You want to leave them in big pieces so that you could see it when you have everything incorporated in your pan. Well, I'm going to continue slicing away all my peppers. And here I am completely done. I'm going to go ahead and transfer them back to the plate. And I'm going to continue with my onion. The onion, I'm going to slice it like this. And then I'm going to slice it through the center. Remember, we want larger pieces of the onion so that you could really see it and it doesn't overcook when you're cooking everything together. Now that this is nice and sliced, I'm going to continue with my garlic cloves. The garlic cloves, I want to dice them really, really small so that they release all the delicious garlic flavor. Okay, this is completely done. I'm going to go ahead and just put it on the same plate because we're going to add everything at the same time. Okay, this is done. The onion, the bell peppers, and the garlic. Let's see how the bacon is doing. The bacon is already cooking and it's already releasing all that extra fat. Look at this. Just make sure that you're moving it around so it doesn't get burned from one side and toasted from another. You want all the little pieces of bacon to be completely toasted, just like this. And as you could see all that extra fat that has rendered. I'm gonna go ahead and remove all that fat, just like this, and you could see the pieces nice and crispy. And now to this, now is the time to add everything I have in this plate, the bell peppers, the onion, the garlic, and we're just going to incorporate it completely. We want to cover everything with that delicious flavor of the bacon. Look how beautiful it looks with all those different colors. You could really see all the colors, and you could already smell the delicious garlic. And now I am ready to add all my corn. Remember, this is frozen corn. This corn is perfect for this type of dish. We're gonna go ahead and just mix it around, incorporate everything from the bottom to the top. We want to coat all the corns with the bacon and all the delicious garlic. Now is the time to add the black pepper and the chicken bouillon. Remember, the chicken bouillon is to taste. I'm going to go ahead, add it in here, incorporate everything one more time so everything is coated with the black pepper, with the garlic, with the chicken bouillon. You just want to coat everything in here. The corn is still nice and frozen, and now is the time where I'm going to go ahead and cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes in medium-low heat. When you have incorporated everything, let's cover it, and I'll see you back in 5 minutes. You know something? This is now nice and done. The corn is really nice and soft. There's still little liquids on the bottom, but this is perfect. I am ready for the presentation, and of course, I can't wait to taste it. So you know something? I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this side dish. You know something? It's very delicious. It has a lot of flavor, and I know that you guys are going to love it. This side dish is perfect for chicken, for Thanksgiving, for your turkey, for you name it. This is just amazing. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. My mouth is already watering, okay? Excuse me. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. This just came out amazing. I'm sure that you and your family are going to love it and enjoy it. Remember, you could add some chicken, some turkey, you name it. This just came out delicious. If you liked and loved my recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will continue enjoying this delicious side dish. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.